That's for the rope.
That's for the rope.
Well, it's named Disappointment because they were hoping it connected to McPhail's, but it does not. So there's the disappointment.
Poor thing. I stepped out of this intentionally, carefully, and it did not matter.
Nope. It's like me flaking out the rope and then you picking it up and moving it to the next spot.
Yep.
Pardon me.
Right.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Alrighty.
Still waiting on anyone?
Well, she might still be on rope, but
Alrighty. Get in the queue here. Good to go?
Yep.
Safety on here. On rope! There we go. All right.
oh yeah, no, it was horrible. Off rope! Nice and smooth. And when you get to the bottom, give yourself a bit of a sit just to make it easier to get off your rack. All right. Good job.
Luckily, taking it off is a lot faster than putting it on.
Ridiculously loud. We had people yelling on and on the rope. I couldn't understand a word they were saying.
Yeah.
All you heard from the top was, oh!
Is that a good or a bad?
And we did this crawl, like this is the only crawl in the whole section of the cave we're gonna do. It was high, like there were spots where we didn't wonder if we were gonna have enough air to.
All right, so how did you go about doing this?
I just kind of like,
Just slid down?
sort of, you can kind of use like your shoulder and your hip. And
Oh,
then
yeah,
just,
I see.
Your other hand, you just kind of like use your right. Good.
Yeah, that's not
You
bad.
can pass your pack if you want. Oops, sorry.
You're good.
I got it.
Thank you.
There you go.
Thank you.
So this is called Quayman's Junction. Commit this to memory, to memorize what this looks like.
What's it called?
Quayman's Junction. Oh no? Oh, I thought you gave up on Shawshank. You were calling her Get Low.
Damn. Sure.
They said, now we're in a really delicate spot, so be very, very careful.
Wow, that's gorgeous.
Isn't it?
Every time.
Every time I come through here, it's breathtaking. This cave just never gets old for me.
I like these ones.
This is a cool spot because you can see the glacial sediment. It's cool. I like stuff like this because you got the glacial till below, and then you've got calcite that formed over the top of it, and then it's getting washed away from what's below the calcite, which I think is really neat to see stuff like this.
Cool. Sorry for holding me up.
No, you're good. That's awesome.
Look at this gnarly stuff. Wow.
So this is Cleveland's junction. Don't feel like you got a ring. Enjoy it. Just keep in mind when you get a little further down that the CFP is coming up. I went up there once. It is not worth going to. No. It's a piece of calcite. It's a formation that dropped down at some point. Now it's just stuck there. So you'll see that in the older caves, you'll see old formations that have dropped out of their original location, and then other formations start forming over the top of them, or they completely dissolve away. Like you'll see some formations that are just being reclaimed by the cave. It does not go.
I'm willing to give it a shot.
Oops. No, I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to help you. He's swimming that way.
Hey, I don't need your help. I know where I'm going. I've been here before.
Hi, buddy.
He's probably so tired.
He probably is. He's probably tired and cold.
Yeah.
Hi, buddy. All right.
Yeah, right? We can carry it.
Somebody's back.
This is breakdown room number 1.
There's our friend. There's room for 2.
Alright. Look at the frog
Where's Dan? Frog bucket.
There we go.
There we go, frog bucket. Alright, here's gonna be the difficult part, is getting one in without letting the other out.
Oh, the other one's pretty chill now.
Okay.
It's not chill.
This one is not chill.
The other frogs are used
If I hold, can someone zip?
Yeah.
You gotta have a bunny.
Okay. Good job.
Alright.
Okay.
Doing a great service.
Yeah.
frog rescue.
Frog and toad.
Frog and toad.
Yeah.
Well,
Well,
maybe they're both frogs, but maybe
Yeah.
one of them's frog and the other one's toad.
yeah. I think that's fine.
You guys gonna start up with this stuff, David? Oh my gosh, I'm leaving to go to West Virginia. Alright, fine. I'm leaving, I'm going to tag. Alright.
Oh my god, seriously. Like, I'm just like putting in trips left and right, and they're just like, okay.
It's gorgeous.
Overhead, look up.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Good?
Yep. I'm just figuring out how I want to do this. All right. Don't float away on me.
You guys want a picture here in the waterfall? Go ahead. You want to get a picture? You guys, go ahead. Jump up there, I'll take a picture of you. So I usually just natural press right at the waterfall, but you guys go whatever comes.
All right. You guys take the direct route, don't you?
Yeah, right.
All right.
Everyone's off, I'm guessing? Yeah.
Off.
All right. We are ready to go.
Let's do it.
You're going up and to the left.
Cool. Oh, yeah,
Oh, do you want to go? Yeah, you better.
Wouldn't be a cave video without navigating some tighter spots.
Getting your bag caught in the rock.
Yep.
All right, so do you recognize where you are now?
Yes.
Cave.
Okay, yeah.
Underground, got it.
So through this area.
Yep. Smart ass answers. We're in a cave. Yep. Been here before.
I'm not sure what you expected from us.
Well, I mean, yeah, I know you guys. That's about par for the course.
Up and down, up and down.
Yeah, this is the up and down part. In the stream, out of the stream. In the stream, out of the stream.
Splash.
Shark attack.
I know, they're all wonderful.
Be a nice side pull, right?
Yeah.
Five people and 3.5 with the rock climbers.
Out there.
Keep climbing.
Got it?
You're not going all the way to the top?
All right. The proper etiquette is wait for the next person to climb before you start walking.
Got it. Alrighty.
Safe and sound. Yeah, this one's tricky. All right. Well, you made it the rest of the way.
Yeah.
Good job. You made it.
All right, guys.
Oh, me too.
Thank you. All right. Much appreciated.
Sure thing. Thank you for pulling the ladder out so I could see it and not use it.
Oh my goodness. Frogs don't like me. Okay. Oh, he's a little bit now. Can you touch that? There you go.
Okay, you guys got them?
Now what?
All right, I'm passing the bag up. Careful with the zipper, the little one's frisky.
Is there a rubber band in the zipper?
No, but there's a sock on it.
There's a sock on it.
Yeah. All right.
All right, we got 3.
We got 3.
All right.
Our frog hostel is coming back.
Looks like a seashell.
Yeah, fossil on this rock here, Dan.
Let's see. Oh wow, look at that.
Yeah, that's pretty prominent.
Very cool.
Coming down hard. It's cold and windy out here.
Okay, doing some climbing, some frog climbing with some frogs.
So, before you start climbing,
Yep.
the rope you're on is rope 2.
Rope 2, okay.
Off rope 2. That's rope 1.
Sounds good. Hello. Off rope 2!
Okay.
Okay. Welcome up. So once you get high enough, you want to attach your cow's tail to this guy here. Sit on up. And then go from there.
I'm just gonna take him out there.
Go for it. So you know the deal, right?
Sort of.
Cow's tail up here.
Yeah. Just how much.
Do you want me to take that? That way it's not
Sure.
one bump away from falling down the pit.
Yeah, right?
Someone.
I just got off. Off rope 2.
Home stretch. All right. So once you get high enough, you'll want to toss your old cow's tail on your rope here on a little loop.
There we go.
Good job. Okay.
And I want to attach it to this line.
Yep. Just pop it on there.
Okay. Ready, Cinder? Coming on?
Yep.
Onto this one.
We actually own the side where we're parked, but the other side where they're parked, that's the farmer's property.
No, in terms of they're all kind of like wet and cranked up in the New York cave, most of